It's probably true that you will never ask what roof color you are allowed to use, because your HOA probably won't even exist anymore. Let's talk about what's happening right now in Florida with HOAs and why more homeowners are starting to fight back. We know you're tired of being told what to do with your own property. Over the years, we've seen it all: inconsistent rules where one neighbor gets fined for leaving a trash bin out too long, while friends of board members get away with exact same thing, or HOA boards that go silent, ignore complaints, hide meeting notes, or make decisions behind closed doors. It's no wonder more and more homeowners are questioning the system and wondering how all of this could affect them. Hello, I'm Clay from Roofing Nation, your roofing company here in South Florida. And while we are experts in roof replacements and repairs, we also make sure you're informed about the rules, changes, and rights that affect your home. Okay, let's start with a quick reminder. An HOA is like a neighborhood club that everyone in your community automatically joins when they buy a home there. They make the rules. The HOA collects monthly fees and uses the money to fix shared things like pools, gates, roads, or landscaping. Remember, we have a video talking about the HOA, their responsibilities, and so on. You should check it out after watching this video to get a better understanding of this situation. Right now, it's very hard, almost impossible in many cases, to completely get rid of an HOA once it's created. Even if 90% of neighbors hate it and want it gone, the rules in most HOA's documents make it super difficult to dissolve. It's how it is. The bill says, let's make a clear, fair way for homeowners to vote and end it if they really want to. Let's see it.
As we move next here to our cover story tonight and a new effort at Florida's capital to reform homeowners associations.
And to be taken to jail and to be treated like that for Brown.
And he painted this house how many times?
3 times since 2015.
Now, a Florida lawmaker has filed a new bill proposing a legal pathway to dissolve homeowners associations and a new system to handle disputes.
After months of rising frustration from homeowners, news stories, and that rally at the Capitol, Florida's HOA reform debate now has a bill number, HB 657.
This is what this bill wants to change. First, easier way to dissolve or end the HOA, and this is the biggest part. It is planned with these steps. Step number 1, at least 20% of the homeowners sign a petition saying, we want to vote on ending the HOA. Step number 2, the HOA board must call a special meeting within 60 days. It means they can't ignore it. Step number 3, at the meeting, if 2/3, about 67% of all voting homeowners say yes to ending it, then it can move forward. Step number 4, special person called a termination trustee, like a neutral manager appointed by the court, takes over to close everything fairly. It means pay any debts, sell or divide shared property or money, make sure common areas like pools or entrances are handled properly, give leftover money or assets back to homeowners equally, and a judge watches over the whole process to keep it honest. Keep in mind, if the vote fails, you have to wait 18 months before trying again. Punishments for bad board behavior during this process. If board members hide money records, use HOA money to fight the vote, or refuse to hold the meeting, they can get fined up to $5,000 each time and even lose their board seat. Faster and fairer way to solve arguments with the HOA. Right now, many fights go through mediation first. This bill removes that step for some cases. It creates a special community association court program, like a fast-track court just for HOA problems. Judges who know HOA laws would handle disputes quicker and more consistently. Now it's time to debate. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree? Tell us in the comments. Let me tell you the reasons people don't like this new idea. First, without an HOA, the neighborhood might look messy. Different colored houses, tall grass, junk yards. It means property value could drop. Also, shared costs like fixing the entrance gate or pool might fall on individual homeowners. Could cost more for some. Starting a vote with only 20% could cause fights and division among neighbors. Closing an HOA is complicated. That's insurance, common areas, mistakes could hurt people financially. But we have the other part of the story. Other people say that it gives power back to homeowners. If the HOA is abusive, expensive, or useless, most neighbors can finally vote to stop it. Also, more fairness and accountability for boards. Faster fixes for common complaints like unfair fines or poor communication. At the moment we are recording this video, it's early days in the session. The bill is stuck in subcommittee waiting for its turn, and no actions has happened since December. Now the legislature is in session. Things could pick up quickly. Porras pushes it hard. He called it his priority legislation. Now, due to this bill isn't law yet, it's just an idea being discussed. If it passes starting summer 2026, you and your neighbors might have a real chance to vote and get rid of a bad HOA. But ending one isn't simple. It could help or create new headaches, like who pays for shared fixes afterward. If House Bill 657 becomes law and gets applied to your community, there are many positive things that could happen specifically related to your roof. No more HOA approval needed for roof repairs, replacements, or upgrades. Right now, many Florida HOAs have strict rules about what kind of roof you can have. Color, material, like no metal if they want tile look, style, or even which contractor you use. This often blocks or delays good options like cheaper, impact-resistant shingles, metal roofs, which are stronger in hurricanes and now encouraged by Florida building codes, or quick emergency fixes. Also, easier to follow state laws and get better insurance deals on your roof. Florida has strong rules for roofs to survive hurricanes. Some HOAs fight these upgrades because they change the look of the neighborhood, putting you in a tough spot between state law and HOA rules. More freedom to choose affordable or durable roofing options. HOAs sometimes force expensive materials like matching clay tiles to keep the neighborhood pretty. Even if cheaper, stronger options exist, you might pay out of pocket for a roof replacement just to follow HOA rules. These benefits only happen if your HOA actually dissolves, which needs strong neighbor support in following the bill's steps. Petition, meeting, court oversight. With an HOA, you will handle shared things differently, But for a single-family home roof, it's mostly your own responsibility anyway. So you learned what an HOA is, why this bill could change everything, the step-by-step process to dissolve an HOA, the risks and concerns some homeowners have, and the potential benefits, especially when it comes to roof repairs, replacements, and upgrades. That's valuable info most people pay for, but got it here for free right now. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we are bringing you more truth, insight, and simple explanations that save you money and headaches as a homeowner. See you on the next video.